Hello friends, I am Gayatri. Let us study your next topic, that is linear equations in two variables. As you have already studied linear equations in one variable, you know how to represent linear equation in one variable. Can you tell any one equation? Yes, you can say x plus 1 equal to 0, or here as you see the example you can say 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Also you know how to represent this equation on the number line. That means how to show the zero of the polynomial or roots of the equation. As you can see here, you can you can find the root of the equation by giving x equal to minus 5 upon 2. So, root of the equation is minus 5 upon 2. Another equation we can take 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Here what do you get? Root of the equation 1 upon 3. So, these are the equations in one variable. You can show these on the number line 1 upon 3. As you can see here, it shows the point number 1 upon 3. Now, consider the same equation. I will add plus 5 to the both sides of the equation. So, 3x minus 1 plus 5 and 0 plus 5. What do you get answer? 3x plus 4 equal to 5. So, again you get the same equation, x equal to 1 upon 3, correct? I can multiply by the same number both the sides. So, multiply by 3 and see what do you get here? 3x minus 1 multiplied by 3. Again you get 9x minus 3 equal to 0 and you get the answer as 1 upon 3. Now consider you know these linear equations in one variable. Let us extend the same idea to linear equations in two variables. If you are writing the score, or if a cricket match is being played and there are the two players and the two players together both scored the score 180. So how can you represent this equation? So here we require to take two variables, score by player 1 and score by player 2. Let us take x variable for the player 1 and y variable for the player 2. So if the score is 180, you get equation as x plus y is equal to 180. Take another example, a father and a son. If the difference between the age of father and son is 28, so take the variable for father f and for variable s for son. You can take any other variables. Only x and y are allowed. That is not the way. You can change the variables. So I can take f and s. So you get the equation f minus s equal to 28. So these are the equations in two variables. You get the equation x plus y is equal to 180. I can write the same example, previous example we have taken. I can write this equation as x plus y minus 180 equal to 0. So this can be represented in this form. Similarly, f minus s is equal to 28. I can write the same in the form f minus s minus 28 is equal to 0. So what do you get here? General form of the linear equations in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b are not equal to 0 and a, b and c are the real numbers. So this is general form of the equation. For example, you have 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. I can write in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. How can you do it? Just take 5 to the left hand side. You get 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here what is a? That is the coefficient of x. It is 2. B, that is coefficient of y, that is 3. and C the coefficient having term that is not having any variable, so C will be minus 5. Take another example, x minus 3 is equal to root 2y. I can convert this in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. C is the constant term. So I will write x minus root 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is minus root 2 and c is minus 3. So you have learned the general form of the linear equation. What will be the solution of a linear equation? You will wonder what will be the solution. How can you represent it in the graph plane or xy plane? So for that, let us take one example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. Can we consider this as a linear equation in one variable? It will have also only one solution. See here, I can take the values of x and y as 2 and 4. When you are writing the solution of an equation, it should be written in the brackets and in the form of a pair, x value and then the y value. So it should be answer or solution should be in the brackets. So here x is 2, y is 4. So my solution will be 2, 4. I can find another solution also. I will take value of x as 5 and y as 2. So I will get the answer, same answer. So my solution may be 5, 2. Again, third pair of solution I can take, that is x value as 3 and y value as 10 upon 3. I will get the same answer, 16. So my solution may be 3, 10 by 3. And the fourth pair also I can find out. If I take the value of y as 1, then I will get value of x as 13 upon 2. So my solution may be 13 by 2, 1. So these are the solutions, 4 solutions I have found out for the same equation. So what do you infer from this? In general, linear equation has infinitely many solutions. And you can also see my next topic, that is linear equations in 2 variables, finding the solutions of the equations, graphical solutions. Thanks for watching.